to the SBW assignment overview 1.02, where I will go over the questions in your writing assignment. To find help for this writing assignment is in Desmos. So if you go to Desmos, you're going to find this assignment where you can go through each of the pages on your own. The first thing that we're going to do is guess similar or not similar when looking at a triangle. So when I look at this triangle, I know that similar figures are the same shape, but size depends on the scale factor. Sides should be proportional and have the same ratio. Angles should be congruent or equal. Similar figures will land on each other perfectly using rigid motion to translate, reflect, rotate, and or just dilate. So do these figures appear to be similar? Notice that you can check each one of them. We can look at this and say, no, I don't think that they're similar. And then we can submit it and watch what's going to happen right here in Desmos. It's going to let us check it out. Oh, guess what? I was not correct. They are actually similar. So now you get to try it again, or you can go back here and try it again. Okay, so going to the next slide, we see two triangles, and we want to decide, are these triangles similar? Maybe you don't like these triangles, you can't figure it out, so you can click for new triangles. Now let's see if these triangles are similar. I'm going to say, okay, yeah, they're similar. And then I'm going to look and see when they line up, are they similar? Nope. Notice right here that these are not similar because I have this gap. So they don't match up, they don't have similar sides. When they are similar, we can line them up and we will see, just like the one before, they actually match up, and again, they will not have a gap. And if you were correct, you can say I was correct, and it'll just say, great job guessing with just your initial guess. Then you're going to go through each one of these questions and you get to process. Now, process is where you end up with the question from your assignment. Let me see if I can go ahead and pull that up here and see if this will work. The question in your writing assignment says that similar figures are the same shape, but size depends on the scale factor. The corresponding or the matching sides should be proportional, have the same ratio, and the angles should be congruent. So this is the questions that you're going to answer. If guessing based just on how they look, what two pieces of information would be useful for figuring out for sure whether a pair of triangles are similar? And why? How do you use it? So here's some sentence starters that you could use. It would be useful to have, because, and it would be useful to have, and because. So it would be useful to, I would say use here. Let me change this. It would be useful to use. So how would you use it and why? Want it in the Desmos activity is a video that can help you out. You can use that, like it says, if you want. And then you can go through each one of these slides to find out for sure if they are similar or not similar. As you answer each of the questions, notice that you're going to find AB and you're going to find the ratio big over small. So AB in this triangle matches with TV in the smaller triangle, so that's going to be right here. So we're going to put 5.616 divided by 4.32, and it's going to give us a ratio. You're going to do that on each one of the slides, which will help you answer this question. When setting up ratios between sides to determine if triangles are similar, does it matter whether you do big over small or small over big? Do you prefer to do it one way or the other? Go ahead and explain. For you in this writing assignment, if you have any questions, please feel free to text or email.